about me. I'm leading all things SEO at ASO at Peanut, being the co-author of Mastering SEO second edition. I've been working for Revolut. Yeah, that's it. And today we're going to talk about publishing Velocity and SEO. We have the big question, right? How you can succeed starting from point zero, while at the same time your competitors are doing. First thing first, let's stay cool. And second, let's build a plan. The first step is perfectly understand your niche, right? What are your target personas? What your product or products are trying to solve? What are their USPs, right? Then know your competitors. Before you even start your keyword research, you need to do your competitor research. And from my experience, most of the time your sales competitors are different than your industry ones. And now we're back on the classic SEO task, the keyword research. This is a combination of searching on your own and also spying on your competitors. This is very important and it's crucial for me. And now we're going to cluster our keywords. We need to categorize our keywords properly so we can have a clear content plan for the next months or even the whole year, since we're talking about publishing velocity. And you're going to ask me how we can categorize these keywords. We have three categories. The first one is like create topic clusters. So cluster your keywords per topic. So you can have one pillar page and several cluster pages around it. The second would be the low-hanging fruits. You have keywords that combine both low keyword difficulty and decent monthly search volume. This is your quick wins. And the third category, which is a bit smaller, shall include the branded keywords, the branded terms. This would be your FAQs page, reviews page, or whatever. Next step is analyze its keyword. I'm a big fan of taking this approach, so you can dive more deep into each keyword, analyze it. And when I say analyze, I mean check the SERP, see what is the competition, what does the competition do, and how and what is the best approach for each keyword. And then the sixth step is create SEO briefs. I love creating the SEO brief for each keyword, and this is very helpful. It will definitely save you time. It can help the writer better understand the approach you want to take for each keyword. You will have less back and forth, and of course, your article or page will be fully optimized. You're gonna ask me, what shall I include in this SEO brief? First, of course, your target keyword. Then relevant keywords, either they are long-tail versions of the main keyword or semantically related keywords. People also ask questions, internal articles that you need to point to, and also the top competitors that you need to outrank. So you need to make your life and the writer's life easier through this SEO brief. And now you need to build the final plan. Now that you have categorized your keywords and you have already built the clusters, you need to start building the content plan for not just 1 or 2 months, but for 6 or even 12 months. You need to set the number of articles written per month, and at the same time, you need to have a clear number of the whole content plan for the year. Like at the end, you should have you should be able to say that, okay, I'm going to deliver X articles per month, Z articles per quarter, or this amount of articles per year. In our case, X should be more than 50 articles. We're going to have more than 150 articles per quarter and more than 900 per year, which is a huge amount. And you need to find resources, right? Resources, it's difficult, but we need to find them. And as Homer agrees, it's super difficult. First, you need to find the writers to write. Okay, either internally or externally, I suggest finding writers that fully understand SEO. You need to assign a topic cluster per writer or per group of writers, and try to avoid using different writers covering the same topic, because the approach should be different. This could create a mess on the context and the approach overall. The images, of course, we know that every article should have at least one image or more if we're talking about creating descriptive summaries and other stuff. So we need to work proactively and have them ready before the article is ready. I suggest Canva, which is a great tool. In most cases it's free, but even the paid version is affordable, and also a stock photo website. Internal links, they are super important for our case, and you need to have a complete plan for each time an article or a page goes live. Publishing. If we talk about publishing 50, 80, or even 100 articles per month, you need to have a dedicated person doing it, or even more than one. In our case, Peanut it's two. Sharing, since everyone knows except the CEOs that SEO takes time, so you need to boost your post or page visibility through other channels. I suggest newsletters, social media, answering Quora questions. It's helpful. It gives this early boost. And the final step is to ensure you properly track everything that I described. Not anything fancy or anything super expensive, just a Google Sheet where you put all the key info and you share throughout the team, so everyone will have visibility on what you are doing. So let's recap. First, understand your niche. Then, know your search competitors, do your keyword research, cluster your keywords, analyze each keyword, create SEO briefs for each keyword, build your content plan, find your resources, and track everything. It will be good to show you an example. So this is a simple Google Sheet. You have the keyword difficulty, the search volume. You have a column with the links of SEO briefs, the article document, the draft, and the stage it is. So it's either live or ready for SEO preview, or the article is working on the art, or the writer is working on the art. As I said, a simple Google Sheet will do the job. Now I need to show you the results, right? Because without results, this is nothing. Let's start. So this is a good graph. You can see that we started early December, and actually now, beginning of September, we have more than 6.5K top 3 position keywords, and more than 70K on the first page. We started with less than 400 organic energies, for December, and now we end up August with almost 800K. A hint, September will close with 1.2 million. You can see that from around 200 first page keywords, we went to 24K, and from around 200, which was November's number, we closed with this number. We're really proud, but we're eager for more. Good job. But you're gonna ask me how publishing velocity actually helped us achieve this really good graph. First, it helped us close the gap. So, assuming that the competitors have been investing in SEO for many years, I believe that if you don't speed things up, you're not going to close this gap. And let's say that you're going to create 10 pages and you're going to target 10 keywords. Assuming that all these keywords give you traffic potential of 40K monthly searches. Now, you make these 10 articles 100. Automatically, the traffic potential goes to 350K. When I say traffic potential, it's the maximum traffic you can get if you are the top results for all the keywords you're gonna chase. You're not going to be the top result for all of these keywords, but assuming you are, this should be your traffic potential, the maximum traffic you can get. Also, publishing velocity helps you build authority. When you create topic clusters and you fully cover a topic, this is helping you increase your authority for both the users and Google. First are the users, but also then comes Google. It also supports your internal linking. If you have hundreds of articles that are related to each other, it will help you build this internal linking strategy that many other people have presented before me, and this will boost both crawlability and indexability. Virality. Creating a lot of content. For example, for us, we have created 300 blog posts on a quarterly basis. First, you have so many things to share on other channels like email marketing, social media, answering Quora questions, as I said, sending pushes. Everything could be benefit from this content creation. You capture more users' intent, and also you make them share your content. Awareness. More content most of the times means that the user has more content to see, stay more on your website, jumps from an article to a relevant one, and the next one. For example, if you cover the whole pregnancy, someone comes to being 5 months pregnant, then you have the 6 months, the 7, and it goes on. So, assuming that you achieved the goal of traffic, we did it. So more and more eyes will land on your website and will learn about your brand, and also they consider you as the go-to hub, the go-to place for all things pregnancy if we're talking about us. And as a recap, increasing your publishing velocity will definitely help your SEO. You first increase your traffic potential, and at the same time you close the gap with your search competition. Also, it helps you build authority, become viral, and at the same time it boosts both your website and your brand's awareness. I'm mentioning again internal links. Yeah, maybe it's too much, but for me it's super important in order for this whole plan to succeed. Having a solid internal linking strategy is crucial. If you create 5 or 10 articles on a monthly basis, it's easy to track them, it's easy to link between them, everything is good. But if you create at least 80 new pages or articles per month, then you definitely need a plan, you definitely need someone to lead this internal linking strategy and ensuring that not only the new articles are pointing to the old ones, but also the old ones are pointing to the new ones. And let's have a takeaways time. First, yes, you can definitely succeed if you start from point 0. You saw this graph, and it's not even 1 year, it's just 6 or 7 months. You can do it using publishing velocity, but you definitely need a detailed action plan. Be consistent and patient. This applies both to you and also your C-level staff. You need to be patient, and sometimes you need to, be supportive to what they ask, and track everything properly, because when you have all this amount of content being published, you will definitely lose something if you don't have everything written down and even on a single Google Sheet. So thank you. I think I was a bit fast, but only 5 minutes away. But yeah, thank you. I hope it was beneficial for you.